How to remove blackheads naturally, effective and safe methods. Blackheads, those pesky dark spots that often appear on the face, particularly around the nose and chin, can be stubborn and frustrating to deal with. While there are countless products on the market promising quick fixes, natural remedies can offer effective solutions without harsh chemicals. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to remove blackheads naturally, along with tips to prevent their recurrence. Understanding blackheads. Blackheads are a type of acne caused by clogged hair follicles. When excess oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria accumulate in the pores, they form a plug known as a comedo. If the top of this plug is open, it oxidizes and turns black, resulting in a blackhead. Natural methods to remove blackheads. Steam facial. Steam helps to open up pores and soften the debris inside, making it easier to remove blackheads. Here's how to do it. Boil water in a large pot. Remove from heat and drape a towel over your head to create a tent, then lean over the pot for 5-10 minutes. Be cautious not to get too close to avoid burning your skin. After steaming, gently press with clean fingers or use a blackhead extractor tool to remove softened blackheads. Baking soda scrub. Baking soda helps exfoliate the skin and can loosen blackheads. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Gently massage the paste onto damp skin in circular motions for about 2-3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and moisturize afterward. Honey and cinnamon strips. This natural adhesive strip helps pull out blackheads and impurities. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to form a paste. Apply a thin layer over blackhead-prone areas. Place a clean strip of cotton over the area and gently press down. After 5-10 minutes, peel off the strip and rinse with lukewarm water. Apple cider vinegar toner. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the skin's pH and can dissolve dead skin cells and oil buildup. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Apply the mixture to your face using a cotton ball, focusing on areas with blackheads. Let it sit for 5-10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. Green tea and aloe vera mask. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and aloe vera has soothing properties, making them a powerful combination for treating blackheads. Steep a green tea bag in hot water for 5 minutes, then remove the bag and let the tea cool. Mix the green tea with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Tips for preventing blackheads. Keep your face clean. Wash your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser to remove excess oil and dirt. Exfoliate regularly. Use a mild exfoliator 2-3 times per week to prevent dead skin cells from clogging pores. Use non-comedogenic products. Choose skincare and makeup products labeled as non-comedogenic to minimize pore clogging. Avoid touching your face. Touching your face with dirty hands can transfer bacteria and oils to your skin, contributing to blackheads. Final thoughts. Natural remedies for blackheads can be effective with consistent use and are generally gentler on the skin compared to harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. However, results may vary depending on individual skin types and the severity of blackheads. It's essential to be patient and consistent with your chosen natural remedies and skincare routine to achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin over time. By incorporating these natural methods into your skincare regimen and adopting good skincare habits, you can effectively remove blackheads and prevent future breakouts, promoting a clearer complexion and boosting your confidence in the process.